everybody. Welcome to Tobys channel. My name is Abe, CEO company Mr. Tobys and Mr. Azmud also here. Today introduce new model TY series. Mr. Tobys also here. Introduce TY series.
That's that. Our TY series have 5 models from 60 watt to 80 watt, come to 100 watt, come to 120 watt, and 150 watt. Today we're focusing on TY 100. Our special packing. After open, inside I have this different part. I have one set of gloves, and this is the real product. So first, let me see our driver. Design is totally different with market and with the logo, with Tobys logo. Very nice logo here, and design also give you the feeling is very strong quality. So the keyboards, we choose the best keyboard than the market. In Tobys products line, it's the second line from middle up, but not top one. Not top one. You can see it's top two line. Okay. In your company, buy these products, you make OEM order for your brand. So we suggest that you make for your high class brand, okay, or in the same brand in the high class level. In Tobys level, this is like middle, upper middle level products. Thank you very much for watching.